I bet you didn't know how amazing your joints are. They let us move our bodies in all sorts of ways. From picking up a grocery bag to dancing, our joints make it possible. Walking, running, hugging, all thanks to healthy joints. When our joints are healthy, we feel good. We can move freely and enjoy life. But when our joints hurt, it impacts everything. Simple things like climbing stairs become difficult. Painful joints affect our mood too. It's hard to feel happy when your body is sore. That's why it's important to look after our joints. They are crucial for our well-being. Please subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and like this video to support us. Joint pain is really common. As we get older, the cartilage in our joints can wear down. This is known as osteoarthritis. Injuries are another big reason for joint pain. A sudden twist can damage ligaments and tendons. Overuse is also a culprit. Repetitive movements strain our joints. Lifestyle choices play a role too. Being overweight stresses our joints. Smoking can damage cartilage. It restricts blood flow, weakening joints. There's a lot we can do to help our joints feel better and stay healthy. Eat a balanced diet rich in nutrients that support joint health. Foods like oily fish, berries, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds reduce joint pain. Bone broth is packed with collagen, essential for healthy joints. Exercise is key for healthy joints. Moving your body helps lubricate your joints. Low-impact activities like swimming, cycling, and yoga are great for joint pain. Preventing joint injuries is better than healing them later. Warm up properly before any exercise. Stretching improves flexibility and range of motion. Use proper form when exercising. Pay attention to posture and alignment. Ask a trainer or therapist for guidance. Listen to your body. Don't push through pain. Rest to recover and repair.